Need to change the language in LocalSend, but the app is currently in a language you don't understand? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to switch it back, and these steps work no matter which language LocalSend is currently using. First, open LocalSend. Even if you can't read the menu names, look for the gear icon, which always opens the settings menu. Once you're in settings, find the third option. In this example, the app is set to Hungarian, but the position of the language setting is the same regardless of which language you're using. Click the button next to the language option to open the list of available languages. At the very top, you'll see System Language, and right below it, you'll find English. If you want to switch to a different language instead, you'll notice that every language is displayed in its own language. For example, you'll see Deutsch instead of German, Espanol instead of Spanish, and Francais instead of French. That makes it much easier to find the language you're looking for. Simply click the language you want and the change is applied instantly. There's no need to restart the app or save your settings. After that, click the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the settings menu, and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy LocalSend tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.